you about my identity and my name. My name is Elita Sukomaira Kurniawan. You can call me Elita. I live in my Street, Bondowoso. I study in SDT Kajang, Bondowoso. I am 10 years old. My hobby is singing. I like this hobby because it makes me happy. My father's name is Henry. He is a teacher. My mother's name is Lucy. She is a teacher. I have one brother. My daily activity. I start my day 4:30 and I get a bath and breakfast. I go to school at 5:30. I go to school at 5:30 by motorcycle. I go home at 15 o'clock. I have dinner